Hey, it's Gio Gianta here, and in this video, I'm going to let you know some ways that you can actually get traffic that converts and works for your offers. Now, one thing that you need to know is this video is going to be geared more towards solo ads for beginners, but also if you're a seasoned marketer and you've been running traffic for a while and you've been trying to increase your results, this video is also going to be for you. So this is my Facebook page. If you want to add me, if you want to ask me questions, if you want to ask me something before you actually buy, I would suggest that you could come over here to Gio Ambrose Gianta. I am Facebook verified, and this is my page right here. You can follow the page, and I give you a lot of updates. I give you a lot of free information, so definitely follow this page. And what I could say about running solo ad traffic is a lot of people think about it the wrong way. They think about it as a casino slot machine. You put money in one side and you end up with sales out the other side. Now, that's not how you should think about your paid traffic. There are some very important key factors that you need to know when you're going and buying traffic. First and foremost, you have to know your tracking. So basically, you have to know where your traffic is coming from. You have to know the opt-in rate, the conversion rate, the tier one. You have to know all that stuff, and you have to be able to see the stats. If you don't have tracking set up when you're running your traffic, then you're basically doing yourself a disservice, because if you're getting traffic from a provider, you need to be tracking your own stats. And I encourage people to be fully independent of anybody else's tracking system. It's very important. And I don't want you to get the idea that is all you have to do is send traffic to a funnel and you're going to get results. Now, that's something that a lot of people think, and they want to do the bare minimum when it comes to paid traffic. What I would suggest for you is having a very high quality email platform. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. So the email platform that I use is called the HBA Emailer. Why I use this platform is it's pay as you go. It allows you to get very high opt-in rates. As you can see right here, my average open rate right here is almost 17%, right? So 17%, almost 18%, I should say. You get very high open rates with this, and I was using Aweber for a long time. And what I decided to do was I decided to switch over, because our email platform is pay as you go. You have email spam checking, right? So as you're writing your emails, it's going to spam check your emails to make sure they are good emails. And also you can see my open rates right here are anywhere from 16%, 15%, 13%, 18%, 25%, 20% right here, 17%, 18%. So on average, almost 18% open rate on average emails that I've sent out with this platform. We have email validation and bot protection. So anybody tries to enter in a fake email into your funnel, they're not going to get through. It's not going to let you enter a fake email into any of the pages that I have, right? So if you use our system and you're running paid traffic, it's going to clean your list for one, which is very important. So it's going to take out any bad emails that you have in your current email service provider. So if you're using Aweber, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, if you're using an all-in-one platform with the emailer, it's probably not good, and it's probably not cleaning your email list when you bring them over. So this platform actually cleans your email list as you bring them over. It's going to only keep the good emails, and we have very good email bot protection and email validation, right? To make sure that your emails that are coming through the system are real. And I would suggest using this platform when you're doing your email marketing. If you want to see more about the platform, you're going to go to the second link in the description of this video, put your information in here, and it's going to take you through and show you what the system is and how you could actually use it in your business to build and grow, right? Now, enter in real information or else you won't get through this page, right? So make sure you go to the second link in the description and put your information in. Now, back to this, it's very important when you're doing marketing to know that you have a high domain reputation, which means you're sending out emails, people are opening your emails, people are clicking on the links, and you want to be able to have your list segmented where you have the most engaged people that are opening, you put them on your emailing list, right? So you don't want to email people who aren't opening your emails. So what I would suggest for you is only having a couple emails in your autoresponder when they first come in, just to see who opens and clicks on your emails and links, right? So you don't want to have multiple emails go out and load it up into your system. What you want to do is you want to do broadcasts after the first couple emails that you have. Now, I can help you with that if you want to know the particular kind of emails that you use in your autoresponder when they first come in. But basically what you're seeing is who's engaged and who opens and who clicks. From there, they get moved to a all openers or a VIP kind of list to where you can actually do your broadcast. And that keeps your open rates very high. That keeps your domain reputation good, which means your emails are going to land in the inbox and not in the spam folder. And you want to make sure that you have a good spam score right here. So if it's 100, that's very good. You want it to be as close to 100 as possible. And as you can see right here, if there's a spam word in there, you could fix it with AI. That's a cool thing about our emailing system. So those are going to be some things that you want to do when you're doing email marketing with your solo ads. You're going to also want to do video with your solo ads. So as you have people coming in, you want to create video content. You want to send your video content out to your list, and this is going to increase your conversions. It's going to increase your sales. And then people are going to find you, and you use your email list to help your videos get views, which boosts your videos in the search engines of YouTube. And potentially your videos will end up in Google as well. So search engine traffic is always going to be your best quality traffic. Your solo ads should run in the background. You should never buy traffic if you don't have a budget to do so. And you should always be doing other marketing in combination with your solo ads. People are just going to tell you to go and buy traffic, and they're going to say, oh, just buy a bunch of traffic from me. It's going to work. You're going to get all these leads. And people get excited over leads. What I want you to get excited about is whenever you have your system set up the right way, you're going to make sales. Now, you want to divide your list by traffic source, not by opportunity, right? If you divide it by traffic source, then you could track the traffic source, and you'll know, like social media leads and solo ad leads, they're different quality traffic. You're going to want to divide your list. You're not going to want to combine those kind of leads, right? So those are going to be some of the things that you're going to want to do. And if you want to get very high quality traffic and you want to talk about how to set up your marketing system the right way, come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. There's going to be a link in the description of this video for my traffic store. Why you should get traffic from me is because I'll actually give you feedback. I'm not just going to take your link like Udemy or Traffic for Me and just send traffic to anything, right? I'm going to actually help you to get the highest conversions possible, and I'm going to make sure that you get highly targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. I'm going to make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent. And I want to make sure that you're getting very high quality traffic, and you need to know where it's coming from if you want to get results. And when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing, right? So you want your offers to be very high converting as well. So when you make a sale, you don't want to just make a small sale. You want it to be a substantial amount of money that you make when you're making a sale, and you want it to be a residual, right? So this way the money keeps coming in over and over again every single month, right? And so I help you with tracking that stuff. I help you to set up and manage your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages possible. My clients get as high as 85% opt-in rate with sales. And I want you to know how to track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important to know how to track that stuff, know how to track the source, where they're coming from, and know all your stats when you're getting traffic, because you could easily get ripped off if you go and you buy from somebody who is not ethical or doesn't really care about you, just wants the money. There's a lot of people out here that are always trying to sell traffic. I'm somebody who makes video content, who actually does marketing, and I help people to get results in that way, right? So that's something that I want to be able to help you with, and I help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, and that's my goal for you. So how this actually works is in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Step 2 is we do a campaign review, so you can book a strategy call with me after you order a traffic package. When we book the strategy call, we go over your campaign, we go over your funnel, and I give you feedback on it. I let you know what was good about it, what you can improve on, and I give you strategies. So I go more into depth about how to get your traffic to convert, what to actually do on a daily basis. So this way you get results and you actually learn the marketing skills, so you're not always dependent on buying traffic from other people. Because I would rather people actually know the marketing skills to generate their own traffic rather than going and buying solo ad traffic. Now, I'm appreciative of anybody who buys traffic from me, but I want you to be fully independent of anybody, right? Because that's the goal, right? And then step 3 is we launch your campaign within 72 hours. And here's some of the results that I've got for people: 200 clicks, 90% opt-in rate, 3 sales, and there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at these for yourself. And then if you have any questions, here's your packages right here. And now these prices may change. Here's the questions. If you have questions, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, anything like that. Take a look at this. This is my guarantee to you, is quality. And then if you have any questions, you could leave them in this box. You could leave them under this video. You can connect with me by clicking on the Facebook icon right there, and it will go to my Facebook page. You can also get to my page by clicking on the link below this video, getting into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. And also make sure you go to the description to get to the traffic store, right? So it's going to be down here in the description of the video. And if you want to keep up to date with any new videos that I upload, make sure you subscribe to my channel for that as well. Leave your comments below this video. I will answer every single comment that comes under this video. Make sure you leave your comments below. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.